Pia Guanio Mago, born October 24, 1974, is a Filipina television presenter. She served as an anchor of Showbiz Central and 24 Oras and a former co-host of Eat Bulaga. She currently hosts Kato Maga on Net 25. Liana Pia Coronado Guanio was born on October 24, 1974. She began her career in entertainment as a lively traffic reporter for Caltex's Roadwatch in 1999. Guanio caught the attention of travelogue channel Lakbay TV, and her career has been on the move ever since. After Lakbay TV, Guanio was one of the hosts of ABS-CBN's morning show Alas Cinco y Media. In 2003, she moved to GMA Network and became a host of noontime variety show Eat Bulaga. She later became an anchor on 24 Horas for the segment Chika Minute. She also hosted the talk shows S-Files and Showbiz Central. In 2015, Guanio left 24 Horas after 11 years on the program. She was replaced by Aya Villania as Chika Minute anchor. In 2021, Guanio left Eat Bulaga because of personal reasons. In the same year, she moved to Net 25, where she hosts the network morning show Kato Maga. She has been romantically linked in the past to her longtime boyfriend, Mark Zulueta, and was later said to be engaged to variety show entertainer and actor Vic Sato. Sato and Guanio broke up in 2010. Several months later, Guanio married businessman Steve Mago on October 1, 2011. The couple have 2 children, Scarlett Jenin born 2012 and Soleil Brooklyn born 2017. Guanio is a board member of Best Buddies Philippines and is an advocate of social inclusion. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.